Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Lapidary, and I'm going to illustrate through my in action how effective the EverClean is. Basically, in my little Texas shop here where I love to cut agates, I got two 16-inch saws. Now, one of my 16s, I had a problem with my pump and I need to put new bearings in it, and I was a little too lazy even though I had a bearings laying here. The other one, I've just had it running the whole time. Both saws, I've been running exactly the same amount of time. Now, if you look at this saw up close, got a little bit of deposit here, tiny bit on the edges, but my oil is clean. Then, looking at this saw, when you come in close, I've got gunk all over my carriage. My hood is completely coated. My vise is like fossilized, and I've got to demuck it now and get all this crap out, and then I'll put my pump parts in. But basically, you get to see black and white right here with the EverClean running on your saw, with your EverClean on your saw, but being a dumbass but not having it running, you got a mess. Now, this oil here, I'm going to keep running. A year from now, I'm going to be running this oil. This oil here, I got to put it in the bucket and then desludge it, and I'll probably end up throwing a fair amount of it out, which is kind of stupid, particularly since I have an EverClean. So anyway, that kind of shows you how clean your saw can be if you're running an EverClean.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this, and down below in the description you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that, and leave comments if there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot. We're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.